Hi friends, welcome back to Edible Vibes. Before we start, I want to thank every one of you for your continued support. This pandemic set us back and we couldn't bring more videos to you, but we constantly felt your love and thank you for that. So today we have for you a quick recipe for mango passion fruit smoothie. So let's get started. In a blender jar, take 2 cups of mango. You can use fresh mangoes or frozen. Then add 1 cup of passion fruit pulp. Add 1.5 cups of yogurt. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. And sugar to taste. We have added about 1/4 cup of sugar, but you can add anywhere between 1/4 and half cup. Now finally add 1 cup of water. Blend this until it makes a smooth mixture. If you don't like the seeds of passion fruit, sieve the smoothie to make it smooth. Your mango passion fruit smoothie is ready to be served. I hope you liked this quick video from us. We promise we'll try to be more consistent in the future. Stay tuned for our next video. We have some delicious recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking.